In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up email subscription types in Hubspot. Email subscription types help you organize the kinds of emails you send, and they also give your contacts clear choices about what they want to receive. This is important for staying compliant, setting expectations, and keeping engagement high. Each subscription type can represent a category, such as product updates, newsletters, event invitations, or sales outreach. The name and description you add here will be visible to your contacts, so clarity matters. To begin, log into HubSpot and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This takes you into the main settings area where you control how marketing tools, email settings, and permissions work. Next, focus on the left sidebar menu. Scroll until you find Marketing, then click it to expand the section. Under Marketing, select Email. This is where HubSpot keeps the configuration options for email sending, compliance features, and subscription management. Once you are in the email settings, look across the top of the page for the Subscription Types tab. Click Subscription Types to open the list of any existing categories your account already has. If you are setting this up for the first time, the list may be short, but the process is the same either way. Now click Create Subscription Type. A panel will appear where you will define the new category. Enter a clear name that your contacts will immediately understand. Then add a description that explains what kind of messages they will receive and what value to expect. Keep the description specific and easy to read because contacts may use it to decide whether to stay subscribed. After that, select a purpose. You will typically choose marketing for promotional, educational, or newsletter content. Choose sales for messages that are more directly related to sales communication. Picking the right purpose helps keep your email program organized and aligned with how HubSpot treats different email types. When you are satisfied with the name, description, and purpose, click Create. Your new subscription type is now saved and available to use in your email tools. That covers everything you need to know.